Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be discussing about the importance of a small little safety device that's on your helmet. Now many of you may not know, but this device can go ahead and can save your lives. Yes, so what are we talking about is a double D ring. If you see, so a lot of helmet manufacturers, they've got quick release system. Now what happens is, with a quick release system, in case of a fall, okay, god forbid, if you have a low side, your helmet could easily come off. Okay, we will be taking a look at a clip right now of a rider who unfortunately passed away, I believe, because he was using one of the helmets that had a quick release system, and unfortunately when he fell down, his helmet came off.
Everything you know is in your mind.
So the reason why the double D ring is mostly important is because it does not allow your helmet strap to come off or to get undone while in case if you have a fall. So firstly, we will be seeing on how you can go about fastening a double D ring. Okay, so most of you who don't know, a double D ring consists of two of these rings over here. Okay, so the way you can fasten a double D ring is, you take the strap, you put it across both the rings. If you notice, I've put the strap across both the rings. Then you would take the tag end of the strap and you would loop it around the first one and insert it back in the second one and pull it across like this. So this is how you fasten a double D ring. Now if you notice, this thing is secured. It will not be coming undone unless you go ahead and you push it across again on the opposite side. There you go. So I'll show this to you again. You see both the rings, you take the tag end of the strap, you put it across the first one, you put it across the second one, pull it as much as tight as you want. Then you would take the first one again, you put it over the second one and you have to push it inside, and you see this thing stays secured.